Welcome to SolidWorks tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to make this model number 2, and in this model we can see the circular sections, and drawing of this model is also available in your project files. So we will go to a new drawing file and go to features and select extrude and select this top plane. On this plane we will draw base part of this structure. So we will see the dimension. This is radius 18 and diameter is 18, so radius is 9, and this distance is 64 and this is 92. So go to sketch, and suppose I take center line for reference, draw a center line and then a vertical center line. Take this reference and draw a vertical line. On this, draw circles. We have circles of radius 9 and another circle of radius 18. Similar thing we have to do on this section, 9 and 18. Here also this radius is 9 and this radius is 18, and OK. Now we can give the dimension to this. Take smart dimension from the center of the circle to this vertical line. This is 64, and from this end point to this end point, this is 92, and also from this center line to this horizontal line. OK, undo this. I take smart dimension, then suppose from this center to this line, this is 46, so that this is symmetric to this center line. Now I can take line from this circle to this circle. Make sure that we are drawing a tangent line. Similarly for the circle 3, draw another line, and OK. And we have to make sure that relation between the circle and line should be tangent. So I go to display relation, and we see that there is tangent relation, OK, in all these circle and line. So I can click OK. Now I select trim entities and trim this inside part of the circles, and our sketch is completed, and exit sketch. The height is given 12, and OK. And one thing also we have forgotten, that there is a back part of the model. So we have to go to once again sketch, go to edit sketch, rotate it to a normal view, and take a circle, the corner rectangle from this end point like this. Dimension of this rectangle are, this is 46 and this horizontal is 12. And to make this symmetric, we can take any dimension. Suppose from this line and to this line, this should be 23, half of 46, so that it is symmetric. Now we have to trim this vertical line. Take trim entity and select this line. Now I can click exit sketch, and we can see on the top of this part there is slot, but this slot is not in the top plane, it is in some another plane and at some offset distance. So we will go to this model once again and take a plane. Go to plane and go to this reference, and we will see that on what plane we can work. I take this front plane, top and right, and we see that front plane is a most appropriate plane. This offset distance we are given is 11, and OK. Now I can make some sketch on this. Go to extrude, select this plane, rotate it, and from there we can select hidden line visible mode, or we can select wireframe mode, and we will see the front view of this model, which is showing the dimension that this is of diameter 16 and radius is 14. So draw two circles. This is 14 and diameter is 16, it means radius is 8, and OK. Then take smart dimension, and from this line to this center, this is given 28 smart dimension, and from this origin this is given 25. Then draw a line from the end of the circle. We see that this circle is ending on this point, okay, and then the normal view from this end, and we will draw another line from this end point to this circle, and one more line to complete the sketch. Select this end point up to this end point, then OK, and exit sketch. Okay, before exiting we have to trim this part. Trim entity and select this circle. Now I can exit. Extrude this, go to extrude boss base, select this sketch, and this value suppose I take 10, and OK. Now to make this part on the other side, we have to mirror it. Go to this mirror, and features to mirror, we can select this boss extrude 3, then mirror about, and we can find that mirror about will be our front plane, and we can see in this preview. Now I can click OK, and this way we have created this model.